Good morning.
Good morning.
It's Monday, May 2nd, and it's Jasmine's birthday. So we wanted to go to this place in Haines City called Egg City for breakfast. It's like diner style, like good breakfast. And it's closed on a Monday.
Go figure.
Fail, super fail. So now we're at Denny's. I don't even like Denny's, but
Not me either, but it's okay.
it's all that we got here where we live. So we're gonna go to Denny's and then we're going to Clearwater Beach. So stay tuned. So they came and sang happy birthday to Jasmine. We had to come to Denny's, obviously. And they came and sang happy birthday and they brought her this little chocolate cream pie. Can you rip the whole thing off?
Then I'm gonna mess up the whole entire thing if I try to. I think that's what the works kind of.
We're at the beach. Ooh, restrooms. A random chicken bone. Johnny, what are you doing leaving chicken bones? Oh, this sand feels so like nice and soft. Hey guys, so we are here in Clearwater. Bubs is back there. Oh wait, I hope I got you on there. I hope so. I hope I don't know where I was pointing. I can't see.
I can't see either.
I said I can't see, it's all black. I can't tell. And the birthday girl. We got wine. Yes, we have ice because it's hot and the bottles were hot. We got some snacks. About to put some tanning lotion on. We're here at the beach. Oh my gosh. It is so nice. I'm gonna try to get a tan. Drink my wine. We're probably gonna go to dinner later at like one of these like little outdoor, what's the other place called, Jasmine?
It was Whiskey Joe's.
Whiskey Joe's or Frenchie's. One of the two, whichever one Jasmine wants to go to, because hello, she's the birthday girl. So, oh yeah, in all of my vlogs, I think most people will ask me in like the vlogs or the pictures where my sunglasses are from, so I'm just gonna share that these are $5 from Sunglass Spot online, and so are Jasmine's. I got her for her birthday. I got a whole bunch. Cause you know when you place one order, you can't just get.
No, you gotta get like.
You can't just get one. You have to get like 6 because it's free shipping. After it's like 5 or 6, and they're $5. Like hello, it's a no-brainer. No-brainer. So I actually have those same glasses that Jasmine's wearing, but the reflective kind, like with these lenses. I don't know why I'm always drawn to the reflective kind.
I think I have them in the purple ones.
You do?
These,
those
yeah.
same ones? I was gonna ask you. I was like, she probably already has them, so it was kind of a risk, but.
No, but these are just plain like
they're
black.
plain black.
So you can't go wrong. Because the other ones are purple.
I'll probably have to get those again, but in plain black. So I got those and the other ones.
Yeah.
Because I already had the other ones, so I was like, well, let me just see if maybe she doesn't have these, the black ones. And then I got a whole bunch more, so. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy the beach. We'll check in with you guys a little bit later. All right, we're done at the beach. We're on our way to Frenchie's. Jasmine's back there, I don't know what she's doing.
Dust off the sand.
Dust off her sandy legs.
Now that he said I look ashy, I gotta clean it.
We're gonna go to Frenchie's South Beach Cafe. Bless you. See what we get. Drink some food. slam my jaw into the ground. My teeth would fall out. I have a black eye, a broken toe. Oh, he's got it. Oh, oh. Yeah. Oh, oh. He did pretty good. I think my mom would like this shirt. This is like super soft. It's like nice. Alright, I'll just get him this one. Whew. We're ready to go. Look at my hair. My Brillo pad up here. Let's go.
You look nothing like this morning.
I know.
My dress is like, look, oh, this is supposed to be down here. It's like up here. I'm just letting it go. I'm like, whatever at this point.
Right.
Because it makes no sense why do you get all done up? I was like,
Yeah,
why do you get all done up to go to the beach?
Well, you don't
Especially if you're going to go swimming.
go to the beach, but you want to look halfway decent.
I want to look like, you know,
Like
If you're going to get in the water, it's pointless.
whatever.
It's pointless. Look at those
Whatever.
Night lights.
Those seashell lights.
I fell seashells down my shoulder.
Last time you get a beer bong?
What was that?
When was the last time you get a beer bong?
Never.
You get a beer bong?
I don't drink beer.
No, you still gotta drink. It sucks.
I wonder if I could find something for my mom over here instead.
Beer bong?
I'd probably end up wearing it.
It's like the worst smell ever.
All right, let's go buy these shirts. Hey guys, it is Friday, May something, May 6th. Friday, May 6th. I kind of sucked at ending the vlog the other day, but whatever. Today we are gonna go celebrate Jasmine's birthday. So you guys probably already saw, Monday we went to the beach. We had a good time. I got so freaking burnt. It was intense. When we came back home, we were just so freaking...
Cypress Parkway.
Thank you, GPS. We were so tired from spending the day at the beach. Like, we literally came home and took showers and went to sleep. And my sunburn was like, whoo, on another level. But right now I'm on my way to Jasmine's friend's house. Unfortunately, we had to drive separate because I work at 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning. So I told her, I was like, I'm gonna go separate in case I get really tired and I want to leave early because they might stay later or they may do something else. I'm not really sure, but I don't want to be there all night. So he lives like 30 minutes away from us, and I'm on my way there now, and I'll see what I can vlog. But yeah, so I will check in with you guys when we get there.
Turn on the lights and pop shit.
Spider-Man.
You gotta catch it like this.
Carlos is outside.
Yeah, you gotta catch it like this. Alex, like this, you gotta catch it.
Look at, oh, you got hit with one. Gotta be careful though.
She's gonna be mad her hair.
With this,
All that confetti in her hair.
Oh.
no, no, it's a cumpleaños.
She's gonna hate you.
That's Stuffin's birthday.
No, she's not.
I thought that too because of the curly hair. And then all the
But-
she did arms at the gym
But do
yesterday.
you work tomorrow? No. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Once she knocks, you go to the door.
Who's gonna turn the lights? Let's turn off the lights. Let's turn that off. Okay, you're in charge of the lights.
I'm over here like, yeah, hold on.
Oh, this was getting the last little fixing with the eats.
Turn everything off.
Follow.
I should stand here with a trick.
Well,
I already saw you.
Yo, you did that shit perfect, nigga.
Hi.
I jumped over.
I was like, look, mira.
I opened the door. She's looking in her purse. And I'm like,
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You're beautiful.
Girl, I love your hair. I was like,
Your dress is so cute. What was the malfunction?
girl, I had it on backwards, right?
How do you put that shit on backwards?
I had it on the, no, mira, the back is a little bit longer than the front, so I had it backwards. My mom surprised me. She saw my whole ass. I went to go put my shoes on. She was like, Jasmine, what the fuck? I was like, what do you mean? I looked in the mirror and I was like, saw my whole thing. She was like, bitch, no.
oh my god.
Oh my god, wow. All of this.
I love your makeup.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my god. I need to go somewhere.
Yeah, she did it.
Your eyes just look so like.
Right? She was like, I'm gonna see your makeup. I was like, okay.
Really
Look at
good.
this.
Thank you.
They're already going now.
Yeah, you gotta light one.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Jasmine.
Happy birthday to you. You're missing one. Like that other one.
couldn't. That doesn't burn.
It's gonna go out and oh, the candle blow out.
Let that shit go out.
Blow, 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 blow.
Oh, no, hey! Blow, 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 just blow, 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 blow. Oh, shit. Not the fucking Oreo.
Just let it go.
Oh, it died.
Like the other one. They were on the cake. You gotta like them shit.
Look over here.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you got pictures in this?
Yeah.
Oh, she's recording one thing. I forget my big mouth.
Ay, coño, me quemo. Ay, no, no, no.
Oh, the cake.
Oh my gosh.
There it
Come
goes.
on, people.
There it goes. This is good. They're good.
Are we singing happy
Oh, wait.